Sveiki! Today we're going to have a fun quiz about the months of the year in Lithuanian. What is the first month of the year? Sausis, vasaris, kovas. And the correct answer is sausis. Which month has 28 days? Vasaris, kovas, balandis. The correct answer is vasaris. Which month's name means pigeon? Kovas, balandis, gegužė. And the correct answer is balandis. Which month has the longest day in Lithuania? Birželis, Liepa, gruodis. The correct answer is birželis. Which month's name is also the name of a tree? Birželis, Liepa, spalis. And the correct answer is Liepa. Which month do Lithuanian children go back to school? Rugpjūtį, rugsėjį, spalį. And the correct answer is rugsėjį. Which month's name means falling leaves? Rugsėjis, spalis, lapkritis. And the correct answer is lapkritis. What is the last month of the year? Sausis, vasaris, gruodis. And the correct answer is gruodis. And that's all for today. Keep on learning and I'll see you in the next video. Ačiū ir iki.